In this week's mom tip, we're talking ways to reduce your impact when gifting. 1. Set expectations with family. This is a simple way to reduce holiday stress and waste. Discuss amongst your family how you'd like to approach gifting ahead of the season's arrival. Align on how many gifts you'd all like to give or receive. 2. DIY or make things. Our culture of consumerism makes us think we always have to buy something new to gift it, but making something can often hold extra meaning. Make a card, do a craft, or write and perform a song. 3. Share an experience. According to research, experiences can prove more meaningful than things over time. They also help reduce the buildup of clutter in our homes. Gift a cooking or art class, a day at the bookstore, or a candy shop day. 4. Choose classic clothes that easily transition into hand-me-downs. At City Threads, we make styles that last, clothes kids want to wear on repeat, and designs that can easily be handed down when your child outgrows them. Let us know your eco-friendly gifting tips.